Hi guys, today we will open my new keyboard. So it's Razer Ornata V3 X.
Let me see.
And I'm opening
Show it. Razer.
First, let's remove this. And
What is that? It's a CD or what? It's a manual.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there should be a sticker in here. Wait. Okay. I found it. So these are the stickers that come inside.
Okay.
I'll put this in here. And the big reveal.
Yeah, you remove the plastic and let's see. You're going to try it in your computer?
Yeah, but let me first open it.
Okay. You can sit down, Anna.
There's the thing. It's a nice cable. And yes. An armrest. Do we need this? So I'll show this. Wow.
How you will put that? Let me see.
I think it's like a magnet.
Let's go and try in your computer.
Dur oğlum. Şekil böyle. Şunu bir sokalım önce. Bak gördün mü ne kadar uzun kablosu?
Evet.
Hı.
Sokuyorum.
Takıyorum yani, sokuyorum değil. Tak.
Be careful your head.
Taktım.
Baktın mı?
Oh, what? It's lightning.
Bekle. Bekle.
Bak bak, hemen kısa yollarını da öğrenmiş.
So I plugged in the keyboard. So let me just close these. I'll open the Razer app. It should have opened.
Klavyeye tıkla.
1 second. Now it's rainbow, I think.
Şu klavye resmine tıkla. Oradan giriyor.
Like
Bak.
this.
Parlakları bayağı ışık veriyormuş.
It's changing the color of your keyboard.
Yeah. So I'm just looking. It's starlight.
Fena değil, gözün olmaz işte, yavaş yavaş değişiyor.
Okay, let's look at the wave. Save. It should go like that.
So how? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an early Christmas gift from Papa Osaman.
I think.
Yeah.
It's super fun to write with this.
Yeah, because of the sound, right? You love it?
Yep.
Okay.